Ambassador Lacanilao, number 10, did the arrested person receive legal assistance during national proceedings? Pinirmahan rin ninyo yan. He received legal assistance during national proceedings. Anong national proceedings ang tinutukoy ninyo? Eh, hindi nga dinala sa husgado. Doon lang kayo sa airport, sabi ninyo.
Ma'am, kaya ko yung sagot ko dyan ay I do not know. Kaya
hindi, walang do not know sa number 10. Sa number 10, sinabi mo, yes, he received legal assistance during national proceedings.
Okay, legal assistance
baka naman kabulastugan lahat ito.
Legal assistance kasi po that time ang pagkakaintindi ko kasi nandoon yung tatlong lawyers niya.
Sinong tatlo?
Former ES Mijaldea, his wife, and Attorney Delgra.
Madam Chair,
legal assistance during national proceeding. May national proceedings ba doon sa Villamor na sinasakop yung tatlong abogadong sinasabi mo?
Legal assistance and serving of warrant.
Ang nakasabi dito, did the arrested person receive legal assistance? Basahin po ninyo, nandyan, during national proceedings. He received legal assistance during national proceedings. Ang sabi po ninyo.
Service of warrant, ma'am.
National proceedings.
Yes, ma'am.
Yan ang pagkaintindi mo. Yes, Senator Bato, please.
Ibig mong sabihin, you want to impress upon us that yung service of warrant is a national proceedings? Yan yung gusto kong
Ma'am, that's an extradition form kasi. Sir,
yes,
it's an extradition form. Ang lumalabas kasi rito, case of first impression din po sa ICC na may nag-surrender po sa kanilang tao. Hindi pa ho nangyayari ito eh. I think it's something that even the ICC
tama ka.
Pero know how to react to it.
Balikan ko lang yung nakasulat. Natanggal, nawala. Ibalik mo nga. Ibalik mo. O very clear man ito, Ambassador. Did the arrested person receive legal assistance during national proceeding? Ang sagot mo, he received legal assistance during national proceedings. So, ibig mo sabihin, yung national proceedings na sasabi mo dito, yung pag-serve ng warrant?
Serve ng warrant and also legal assistance kasi kasama ho niya yung tatlong abogado niya.
Wow. Ay, ganon. Pati yung competent national judicial authority, si General Torre na lang yon.
Wala ho kasing form ng
and then liwanag competent national judicial authority. Sino naman yun? Wala naman doon kundi police.
Madam Chair, may I? Yes. Ano ho kasi, yung lumalabas ho kasi rito, talagang even the ICC, the form they use is for extradition purposes. Makikita po naman judicial authority, kasi yun ho talaga experience nating lahat. This is the first time na may nag-surrender po sa kanila. Then they don't even know our domestic law. Kaya po, this is a way to bash things up. Kaya nga nung nag-require ng certification, umubra po yung certification ng Department of Justice, ng Prosecutor General, kasi yun po yung understanding nila ng situation. Pero this is an extradition form, kaya ang mga tanong po dyan is for extradition, not for surrender.
Pero kung extradition yung form mismo ng ICC, dapat nasundan yung extradition na process. May competent national judicial authority. Mismo yung ICC, inaalma pala na hindi ito extradition.
Madam Chair.
Yes, Senator Cayetano.
Just some points. I understand, SOJ, where you're going, but ang problem ko kasi yung pumirma yung representative supposedly ng bansa. Kasi from the start, information on the surrender and transfer yung title nung form. But as you said, kasi extradition is a form of surrendering, di ba? Pero hindi yun ang sinunod natin. So ang understanding ko kasi, very strict din yung ICC sa human rights. Kasi precisely nga, it's a court that based everything on human rights. So they want to make sure with the form that we followed human rights. Okay. So dun sa number 10, personally, I'm not committing the committee. Personally, I can understand that the service of the warrant is part of the national proceeding. But when you signed, kasi when the ambassador signed his name and ang nakalagay, he received legal assistance during national proceeding, it gives the impression that there was more than just the the service of the warrant. If you relate that with number 8, kasi sa number 8, competent national judicial authority. So for example, kung sa kanila kasama ng judiciary yung fiscal, sa atin ang competent na judiciary is just the judiciary.
Mr. Senator, kasi nga, yung questions in the form refer to a case of extradition.
Yes.
Case of first impression nga to,
Yes.
even to the ICC, even to the Philippine government, to the Executive Department, to the Senate, to the Supreme
Yeah.
Court, this is a case of first
Yes.
impression.
And assuming
kahit na, lalo na kung first impression, di ba dapat linagay na lang, I do not know. Doon
Yeah.
sa ibang question,
Madam-
sinagot niya, no, I do not know. Bakit dito buong ningning siya sumagot?
Yeah. Can I pursue that? So assuming, Mr. Secretary, that I will hook, line, and sinker agree with you, yun ang point ko, di ba? That a representative of the Philippine government should not just sign. He should have noted there, surrender to, not applicable, etc. Because nga, ang titignan naman yung dokumento, hindi yung paliwanag.